MTI-TV. I'm Sam, and today we're going to talk about Mapeguard UM35, MAPEI's newest crack isolation, vapor management, uncoupling, and waterproof membrane. That sounds like a mouthful. That's because it is. This product does a lot, and as we like to say, it is reshaping the industry while it is doing so. How, you ask? That's a good question. Let's take a look. It all starts with the actual membrane itself. Mapeguard UM35 is made from high-density polyethylene with a textured surface and a fleece fabric backing. The membrane is lightweight. It lays flat. When you unroll it, the edges don't curl. The textured surface always allows for stronger thin-set adhesion and holds a chalk line. The fleece fabric backing has been engineered to ensure a tenacious bond between the membrane and the substrate. This membrane lets you install tile and stone over a wide variety of substrates, including concrete, wood, and even tile over tile. It can even be installed over young concrete and acts as an excellent vapor barrier when used with Mapeguard WPST sealing tape. The membrane forms a very good waterproofing system. However, if waterproofing is required in a shower, MAPEI recommends that you use Mapeguard WP200. Mapeguard UM35 is also a crack isolating membrane, isolating in-plane cracks up to 1/8 of an inch. The real difference is in the shape of the membrane. Mapeguard UM35 is made up of circular cells designed with an anchoring lug that creates a mechanical bond. As the trowel passes over the cells, they fill with mortar and they do not trap air. More mortar per cell per pass means that you are using less time, effort, and material to finish your project. That's a big change in membranes at a cellular level. For more information about Mapeguard UM35 or MAPEI sheet membrane solutions, visit us online at www.mapei.com. I'm Sam for MTI-TV. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then make sure that you don't miss the next episode by clicking on the bell icon down below. And thanks again for watching this edition of MTI-TV.